Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of validation error on the application of Pinterest. In this page here, you should just follow me step by step. To solve your problem, we will go to settings like this. In this page, you will go down until you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings, and you will click. On above, you will search about the application of Pinterest and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you will return again to this page of app info. Here you will go to permissions and you will enter. And as you see, you will find this list. You should to check if these permissions are allowed. For example, you will go to contacts, permission, and you will click here. And as you see, we click allow to allow your contact or your contacts permission like this. Also here in this list, you will choose these photos and videos permissions and you will click. And here you will click always allow all. And here you will make sure that all your permissions are allowed on the application of Pinterest. After that, you will go down or you will go to this window of Play Store and you will click here. Then in this page, you will click in this sign. After that, in this list, you will go to above and you will click here. You will search about the application of Pinterest. Here in this page, you will enter. And as you see here in this page, if you find update in this blue sign, you will update your app. But if all these steps not working with you or not solving your problem, then the final solution is to uninstall your app, Pinterest, and then you can install it again and you will try to install it again to fix your problem on the application of Pinterest. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.